We've been hearing rumblings, perhaps inklings, that the investigation of Donald Trump with the classified documents could be coming to a close. And yesterday on the show, we covered how they found evidence that he knew he wasn't supposed to have the documents, which seems indisputable, but they're really impressed with this new evidence. Well, I don't know that this new piece of evidence is proof that Trump and his team are getting worried, but you very much could read that into it. They sent a letter to Attorney General Merrick Garland requesting a special meeting. Now, there's a little bit of the sort of normal Trump flourishes in this, but we'll read the important parts for you. So they say in this letter, this is from a team of lawyers. Unlike President Biden, his son Hunter, and the Biden family, President Trump is being treated unfairly. These are adults. They are adults writing this letter. They printed it out and they sent it. And that's what it says. No president of the United States has ever in the history of our country been baselessly investigated in such an outrageous and unlawful fashion. We request a meeting at your earliest convenience to discuss the ongoing injustice that is being perpetrated by your special counsel and his prosecutors. That is interesting. It's John Rowley, James Trusty. Get Trusty as your lawyer. It's a name you can trust. But anyway, they want to meet now. We are months and months and months into this thing. And now they want to meet. Just as it's about to wrap up, just as they're giving indications that they think they have the goods on him, just as some of the former Trump lawyers are saying that they're worried about him. We'll get to some of those quotes. This seems like they're trying to head it off. Maybe strike some sort of bargain. Maybe he does X, that he doesn't go to jail for Y years, or just doesn't want the charges to come out, even though they say that would help them in the primary, JR. I don't know, am I reading too much into this? It seems like a weird thing to do at this late date.
It does seem weird, but it's a very Trump-like thing to do. It's absolutely unsurprising when it comes to him as an attorney. I think they've run out of options, maybe. Potentially, I can read into it and think maybe there's something that's about to come out and explode and destroy this guy finally, but we've heard that over and over and over again for years. I'm done expecting anything to come out about Donald Trump that's gonna actually hurt him, because many things will come out about him that should hurt him and they don't, whatever. There's many people protecting him. So this, I think, is another step of him thinking that, Merrick, we can have a meeting here and talk about it because he'll protect me, right? Because you have to, right? You're my only last hope. What was the line from Star Wars? You're my greatest last hope. What did she say to Luke?
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
You're my only hope.
I'm not sure. That's nerd stuff.
Yeah, no idea. You'd have no idea. No, so Merrick is the only last hope for them. So let's go to that route next. Maybe to talk about how this is a former president of the United States. We can't let this happen. We live in the United States where certain people actually don't face consequences for their actions because of who they are and how much money they have. What are we talking about? We can't let this happen. We can't let normal Americans understand that the justice system actually applies to everyone. That's a conversation they're looking to have, but I don't think it's gonna work all that much. They definitely think that he has a voice that for some reason Garland will listen to, despite the law.
Yeah, maybe the Attorney General hasn't responded in any way.
He left him on red.
100%. People are sending in some funny ones. I'll get to those in the break, but look, you could alternatively say that this isn't a serious attempt to meet with him. It's just bravado. But he sends bleats like that every day. Like, this is a new thing that they're doing. And they're specifically making it public. They're making it seem as if it's to fight against the injustice, but they can just say it's unjust in court, let alone on social media. To request the meeting, that's where it gets interesting. For more political news breakdowns, interviews, stories of activism, and me trying my hardest to care about the occasional big celebrity news story, subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/thedamagereport. And you can ring the bell wherever it is so you don't miss anything.